Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mente MEGK15 USB keyboard. This is a gaming keyboard. As you can see from the image, it has a gaming inspired design. It comes with 12 months of warranty. It also has breathing RGB lights, 104 keys. This is basically a full keyboard, and also has USB 2.0 interface. Over here it's written ergonomic colorful backlight gaming keyboard, and also comes with USB or USB connector at one end. Okay, we have some more information here. It comes with 10 multifunction keys, multimedia keys, strong ABS plastic top plate. Anything else? Okay, more or less the same information here. Ergonomic design for ultimate gaming experience. The cool rainbow backlight with function multimedia keys. You can swiftly play music, control the volume, or open your internet browser. Using the function keys, you can do a lot of stuff. Also comes with 1.5 meter long USB PVC cable. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what this particular keyboard looks like. There is also a user manual from Mente. This is for the MEGK15, as you can see. And everything that you want to know about this particular keyboard you'll find in this particular document. And this is what the keyboard looks like. This is not a mechanical keyboard, this is actually a standard keyboard, but this is a full keyboard. This looks like it's made out of metal, but it's not. It's actually made out of ABS plastic, very hard plastic. It has a very nice finish to it, has a matte black finish in fact. And once again, it obviously has a gaming inspired design. There's also a logo for Mente right over here. Underneath there are two anti-slip stops right over here, and there are two stands for adding some elevation to the entire keyboard. There you go. Let's take a look at the cable. This is the 1.5 meter long connecting cable that comes attached with this particular keyboard. You have USB-A port on one end, and this is, as I said earlier, braided cable, which means it will not get tangled easily, it will not tear easily, and you can 1.5 meters is quite the length, so you'll be able to access it from anywhere. And I'm going to connect this particular keyboard to a laptop, which is what I have right here, and show you the RGB lights. There you go. I've connected it now, and almost immediately the LED lights started to breathe. There you can see it's breathing right now. These are the multimedia buttons over here. You can control, play music, increase, decrease volume, and mute it even, etc. A lot of functionalities. And this is more or less it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mente MEGK15 professional gaming keyboard. Thank you for watching.